Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your BNP Paribas account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these simple steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the BNP Paribas website or open the mobile app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the second factor of authentication. This could be via SMS, email, or an authentication app. Step 4. Verify your method. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen method. If you selected SMS or email, you will receive a code that you need to enter to confirm the setup. Step 5. Save changes. After verifying your method, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation that 2FA has been successfully enabled on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your BNP Paribas account. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.